Hey everyone, I'm Liam Purcell. I'm a product manager here at Revenova, and I'm extremely excited today to announce the release of our TMS Analytics package, a highly powerful data visualization tool for the data-driven logistics world. We understand that the day-to-day operations of a logistics business has the potential to create endless amounts of data points. The TMS Analytics package with Revenova lives right on your RevenovaTMS, so it can capture all your data, pull it into the TMS Analytics suite. From there, you get to visualize the data however you want into ways that are truly valuable for your users. It also includes 4 pre-built dashboards that we created to capture some of the KPIs that our customers typically look at in their day-to-day business. The first dashboard is our business overview dashboard, and the purpose here is to give you an overview of your customer portfolio and how each of those accounts are performing over time and currently in your day-to-day. You see a handful of KPIs above at the top. There is a map showing you where your largest customers are all across the country. You also get a breakdown of industry and some of the load volume and margin trends for those customers. You can use our filter tab to filter to a specific customer, look at how a certain carrier performs for those customers, and anything else that we have listed here that allows you to drill into more specific use cases. And speaking of drilling in, we also have the ability to explore the data by drilling into a data table simply by clicking Explore. And that way you can change this lens to fit the use case that you want to see. You can remove columns, add columns, whatever you want to do. Take a deeper dive into certain use cases that might be specific to you and specific to the customer that you're working on. Our next dashboard is the carrier performance dashboard. This is similar to the business overview but for the carrier side of the business. So this will show you how your carrier network is performing using metrics like on-time percentage or load volume. It also will tell you how certain lanes are performing. So in my mind, you would filter down to the carrier of your choice and then look at some of the lanes they're running, what the quotes are looking like, what their on-time percentage is. The possibilities are endless on this one. And one thing I want to point out here is that, again, through the CRM analytics abilities that Salesforce offers, you can set a notification for any of the metrics on this dashboard. So if you want to keep an eye on, say, the number of loads that a carrier is running, and when it gets to be greater than 50 loads within a given time, notify me so that I can jump in and take action if necessary. This dashboard is extremely important to me because so much of what our customers do is leverage strong relationships with really outstanding carriers. And so to track the performance of those carriers, to look at your portfolio, and to drill down even into some of the specific carriers you're hoping to see, allows you to really evaluate how it's performing, and you can identify where there might need more attention, which carriers are underperforming, and I think just allows you to hold your carrier network to a really high standard. The next dashboard we have is called Lane Analysis. This is a really powerful tool. And this is a tool that I think I could have really used in some of my previous roles in order to gauge what I should be paying on certain lanes all across the country. So here you see maps showing the outbound and inbound load volume driven by state. So if I had a load going from Illinois to Massachusetts, I would simply have to click to filter to that specific state combination. And then the table below shows me every Illinois to Massachusetts lane that my company is running, in addition to the average carrier quote, the max, and the min. This gives you the important data you need to accurately quote on the spot market. And the last dashboard that comes included in our TMS Analytics package is the sales snapshot. And this gives you a peek behind the curtain to how your internal company is performing. You get to see the percentage of loads won, a breakdown of recent load performance according to the lane and the sales reps on that load. You can also take a look at the carrier sales and customer sales tables and even sort by, for example, load volume to drive a little friendly competition among your sales reps. And for those who are managing a team of sales reps, you can filter to a specific sales rep and then from there save that modified view for future use. So now I know that team 1, when I jump into my sales dashboard, is going to be the default view I see when I open it up. Now, in addition to the 4 dashboards that come straight out of the box, the CRM Analytics package that Salesforce offers that we leverage in this TMS Analytics package gives you the ability to create a dashboard from scratch. So, to show you how that works, I'll jump back to our Analytics Studio here. And the example I'm going to use is one that I think is really cool as a part of the CRM Analytics product, and that's the ability to create some high-powered geographic dashboards. So to show you, I'll just go to Create and hit Dashboard, grab a blank dashboard, and now we are building a custom dashboard based off of that same data that you saw, pulling in from your Salesforce org or from an external connector. I will grab that all loads with all fields data set. That's what we're using. And then as you can see, if I'm picking the chart type, I have a plethora of options to choose from. But like I said, I want to show you just how cool some of these maps are. I'll choose the geo map. For locations, I simply choose what I want to use as my location. So I'll grab the account name. Latitude and longitude, this is where we are grabbing the latitude and longitude that are stored on the accounts in Salesforce. So grab our shipping latitude and our shipping longitude. For bubble size, this is the metric determining how big you're going to see these bubbles. Real quick, we'll just go with something easy like annual revenue is fine. For bubble color, same thing. We'll decide on something like the number of loads they ship. Now you can already see some of our bubbles popping up here. It's really so quick and easy to put together a high-powered map like this. Now, I'm going to push done here. Right now, as you can see, you're seeing the whole world in terms of our map here. I'm going to change our map type from the world countries to just US states, and now we've got our dots all over the map. I'm also going to make it a little easier to see. So I'm going to change the color here, and I'll add a title. Call it customer account locations. Save. And now you have a map component that I just threw together in, what, a minute or so, that is giving you access to the geographic data that previously was difficult to tap into and is now able to be visualized simply and easily using TMS Analytics. So as you can see, not only does the package come with preset KPIs that can be instantly valuable to your users the second you turn on the TMS Analytics package with Revenova, but you can also build dashboards quickly and easily that give real, valuable, actionable insights to your users. But what's also included in this product is the capability that comes with the Salesforce CRM Analytics product. So some of the neat bells and whistles that you get along with the packages that I've just shown you is access to external connectors. Based on the package you select from Revenova, you'll get access to a number of external connectors that you may already use in order to track your analytics, your data for transportation. So here are some of the options you have in terms of external connectors that can be hooked up to TMS Analytics and used to drive those same dashboards you've seen. On top of that, we also have the ability to take advantage of some of the AI-powered analytics that Salesforce includes. One example is the sentiment analysis from Einstein that will look at some of the statistics or responses from your customers and determine, based on artificial intelligence, the sentiment of that comment. And this is just scratching the surface of some of the AI-powered analytics offerings that come with CRM Analytics. So Not only does TMS Analytics from Revenova include the package dashboards and the ability to create your own dashboards, but you also have all of these capabilities at your disposal included in Salesforce's CRM Analytics offering. For more information, reach out to Revenova to learn about how our TMS Analytics package can turn your data analysis into a competitive advantage.